Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share a very quick recipe that is Baigan tawa fry. So let's quickly get into the video. Here I have taken Baigan, that is eggplant, rava, turmeric, garam masala, Kashmiri red chili powder, normal red chili, amchur powder, salt, oil and coriander leaves. Cut the Baigan into medium slice and coat this with masalas on both the sides. You can also make this with a small brinjal. Now dip this slice with rava on both the sides. Here it's ready. Enjoy this as a side dish with chapati, dal rice or curd rice. Try this recipe in your kitchen, and if you like, click on the like button and please subscribe to my channel. See you soon on my next video. Thank you for watching.